Hello Scorpio, so this is your quick oracle reading gamit natin si Dark Mirror. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share. So tingnan natin ano ba yung message para sa'yo. What we got is number 29, Anger and Chains. Okay, so marami din sa inyo. Possible na meron kayong sama ng loob because of certain things na nangyari sa nakaraan or mga nasabi sa inyo or hindi ginawa, especially ng mga pangako na pinanghawakan nyo. It's okay. Wala masama kung nagagalit ka, nasaktan ka. That is normal. Normal na reaction yan. Pero sinasabi sa'yo ng universe, huwag mong hayaan na itong galit na to, itong sama ng loob na to, mamutawi sa'yo. Pero may tinatawag tayo na pwede mong i-transform yung galit na to, itong energy na to, into something productive. Example, masama loob mo, ginagawa ko, pag masama loob ko, naglilinis. Mag-aayos ng bahay, doon ko nilalabas yung frustration ko, doon ko ilalabas yung energy na yun. Nailabas ko siya in a healthy way, at maganda pa yung naging result nun, and I became better. So this is also what the card is calling you. Find a way, find a healthy way para mailabas mo kung ano man yung mga negative energies within you so that it can be productive and you can start your healing process as well. I hope nakatulong sa yung reading natin and I'll see you very soon.